Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 131. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Song Yoo-hang and Lin Yan. Now, Song Yoo-hang, the female internet celebrity, Dr. Lee, the incident occurred at the beach resort in Junction City. Well, Lee Hai, Liang, that really does not fit the name. At this moment, she's trying to explain everything. Song Yoo-hang, all the personnel proceed to the target point number 10, the beach resort. They really need to came in so fast so Lehigh can be caught. But now, look at it. It turns out Linian is also there preparing to follow up and back up the team. Do you think can she able to get faster than them? This time, she really wanted to follow on secret, holding her phone, checking the GPS of Song Yoo-hang's whereabouts. It seems that she really wanted to follow secretly so no one's know that she is also on the based on the previous scenery. She always acts so rashly. At this moment, she thinks a seaside bathing beach. It's really isn't far from Penyang Wharf, so it makes sense maybe the target was there and only hiding. After planning and carefully analyzing the scene at this moment, look, she's ready. She was going to follow Tim Song and also to check the other places that might be Lehigh is hiding. Chunan, please, bless me, Linian said to herself, so that I can eliminate him with my own hands and also she can got Lehigh without empty-handed. It's taking so long that this case are running to. On the other hand, Lehigh, he was on her younger brother. It seems that like a hospital bed. Well, so it turns out her younger brother is sick. I'm not afraid, and you? I'm not afraid, but still need to finish one last thing. Get rid the little tail that's been following us. I don't want anyone to disturb us halfway through the surgery. Liang, youngest brother of Lehigh. Well, what about you? After the surgery, will you? Yes, I was a dead man to begin with. After I avenged myself and also repaid my debt of gratitude, it's time for me to leave. Lehigh said to his younger brother. At this moment, Lehigh, okay, you can go to sleep. I'll be back when you wake up. Lehigh. He seems to be sure that she can be successful on her mission, but now it makes sense. Finally, Linian, she already arrived. Look, well, still seeing all the background and surrounding. It could be Lehigh is only hiding on the scene. Now, she's been alerted in this. At this moment, she's trying to run to. It seems that the place it's really tricky. Also, there's a lot of surroundings that it's difficult to go through until you can get up. Now, look at her silently. Her motorcycle is flying. Finally, it landed on the floor. Well, Linian, she continued to drive. It seems that the place, it's really like deserted. There's a lot of house. It seems that everything is abandoned. Now, it makes sense. Suddenly, there's a loud boom. It turns out Lehigh he must be surrounding her. At this moment, Linian, she might be in trouble. Let's see what's gonna happen. After hearing the noise, Linian, she successfully dodged and accelerate her motorcycle so she can able to speed up and also leave the face quickly. But it seems that the glass shattered. It turns out one of the motorcycle mirror got shattered. Well, this not good. She might be having a difficulty to see. The person behind hers because the mirror is already broken. Well, Linian, she gradually looking at the surrounding, look at her faces. It seems that she get hurt or something happened. Looking around the scene, she's been alerted. Also, she got really serious. Keep looking around. Also, the motorcycle is throttling. We can see taking out her weapon. At this moment, she need to be careful. Also, analyze the things surrounds us. Well, it seems that the person still is there, like she's getting out of control. Linian, look, her eyes. It's look like she's having difficulty to see the surrounding. Also, it's really getting pitch black. Now, look, her motorcycle are going to accelerate. Well, this will trouble. She might go, bump, into the wall, inside the street. Well, this time, she need to stop. But it seems that she already collided. Looking at Linian, she already on the ground, falling, and she's not moving. Could it be that something is happened? Well, let's hope someone can see and also save her during this time. After a few minutes, finally Linian, she already awakened. Look, trying to stand up. It seems that she's having a difficulty. Look, her reaction also got really surprised. Someone is also, well, who do you think? Who is the person who's with her this moment? Could it be that it was Lehigh or another person helping Lehigh this time? Well, it turns out there's a kid and he keeps calling mother, mother. Probably he only thinks that Linian is her mother, but looking at it, it seems that the person it's really afraid on the surrounding. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Now, Chichi BV, thank you for joining membership today. Note to the fans, all of the arts and illustrations are only for educational purpose so the readers can enjoy their manual readings. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye! The younger sister will post on Discord later on, so check it out later.